Long press the mode key after turning on the display. Enter the advanced setting. Then enter the speed limitation. When you adjust the value to 24%, the maximum speed of the scooter is 25 km per hour. By this algorithm, you can adjust it to any speed you want. When you adjust the value to 100%, the speed limit is lifted. Remove the cover of the controller with a 3mm Allen wrench. And plug in the speed limit plugs on the main controller and subcontroller in turn to limit the speed. If you want to lift the speed limit, unplug it. Then put the controller cover back on. Diagonal lines are recommended when fixing the screws.